In 1854, London faced a deadly cholera outbreak. People were dying, and everyone believed that cholera comes from bad air. But one person refused to believe it. Dr. John Snow, an anesthesiologist who had administered chloroform for the childbirths of Queen Victoria. He strongly believed that cholera comes from contaminated water, and not air. But there was no proof for his hypothesis, so he had to do something no one had did. He decided to map every death that occurred in the outbreak. He went house to house and collected information regarding the water source of each household and mapped them. Boom! He found a clear cluster of cholera deaths around a pump in Broad Street. Those households who used other water sources were largely unaffected. Snow then convinced the people to remove the pump handle. Once the handle was removed, the infections came down drastically. Later, it was found that the pump's well had become contaminated from a nearby sewer due to a cholera-infected baby's diaper. Authorities still doubted Dr. Snow, so he conducted a massive study called the Grand Experiment, comparing two water companies. One company took water upstream of River Thames and one from the downstream. The downstream water was sewage-filled and polluted, whereas the upstream was much cleaner. The result of this study was shocking. There were 9 times higher cholera deaths in homes supplied by water company taking water from the polluted downstream. This was an unbreakable proof, but the medical establishment refused to accept it until the Great Stink of 1858 in London. The conditions got so bad that the Parliament had to act. It led to building of better sewage infrastructure in London, and cholera virtually disappeared. Dr. John Snow was a true pioneer of modern epidemiology. He showed every disease has a cause, and prevention saves more lives than any medicine. If you like such content, subscribe to this channel for more videos related to public health.